Welcome back to New England Crypto and East Coast Hardware. My name is Matthew. We are a crypto mining family. In today's video, Mrs. New England Crypto and I are here at the facility to do some maintenance. We had this crypto mining laptop up on the shelf in our bathroom all last winter, using it as a money-making space heater. And then spring came, the AC kicked on, and we forgot about it for 5 months. Luckily, Unmineable is consistent and reliable enough that she never stopped mining. She just kept mining the whole time. But I can tell you one thing, the moisture and humidity from showers do not mix with electronics. This thing is gross. We've got a lot of cleaning to do today. Well, one thing we can say for sure, she looks like she got mighty hot. But we got the cover off, and now we're gonna keep cleaning her up. Let's see what else we've got inside of this bad Larry. Woo! Can you turn it for me, Rach? Super interesting, very cool. All right, let's get her cleaned up and see if we can get her back up and running. Well, that was interesting to say the least. But I think she did a really good job getting the laptop cleaned up. Now she's going to work on cleaning the back lid that looked like it overheated a little bit. Hopefully that dust isn't caked on there too much, but she's got this. Great start. All right, now we got to clean out all of the white particles from the paper towels that were all over the inside of it before we put it back together. So we're going to use the awesome X Factor blower and blow it out real quick. Well, it might be a little embarrassing, but this is what we had to pull out of this laptop to get it all nice and clean. Mrs. New England Crypto did an awesome job. This thing looks great. Oh yeah, she's got that looking much better. Now we're going to open her up, try to turn her on, and make sure she works again. Oh, I see a little red light. Oh, I see some colors on the keyboard. Come on, baby. Do we need to hit the button again? Hello, button.
Oh, you killed it.
Oh, no. Yeah, buddy. All right. We're going to let her fire up, see if we can get her hashing again. Show you guys what's up in a minute. Thank you very much. In full transparency, I wanted to let you guys know that it is the following day. We realized that we ran out of time with childcare. So I'm going to get this thing back up and running, and I'm going to plug in the internet, get her fired up. We had some funny noises with the fans yesterday, but we let her run for a little while, and she cleared herself out. That does happen sometimes when you do a full cleaning on something like this, like Mrs. New England Crypto did yesterday. She did a great job. The fans cleared themselves out. That's actually what we were waiting for when we realized we ran out of time with childcare yesterday. I'm going to get this bad boy up and running, and let's see if she can get hashing again. Okay, now that we've got the internet plugged in, let's head over to the unminable website that I'll link down in the description below. We'll download their new mining app called Unminer. Make sure you set up an exclusion folder to unzip into so you don't have any problems with the mining software being deleted by the computer or any of the protection stuff that you have on your computer. I'll make sure to link our video down below that has a full tutorial on exclusion folders for mining software. Once the Unminer app is fully downloaded, it will run an auto hardware detection so that it knows the best algorithm and miner to use. This is specific for your exact hardware. Alright, let's go. And there she is, up and hashing. Alright, she's up and hashing happily. She's getting a little warm at 72 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to work on some adjustments with the overclocks and stuff with MSI Afterburner. She should be all good, and I can also add a little cooling pad, little fan system underneath it, little laptop cooler. No problem at all. I'm so glad she's back up and running, and unfortunately for her, she's going back in the bathroom for this winter space heater in there again, and we'll clean her out again in the spring. I'm going to set an alarm on my phone not to forget this time, though. Thank you all for joining us. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We will see you on the next one.